In 2025, CUPRA will bring the UrbanRebel, its urban electric car, to the market. A vehicle that will take CUPRA far beyond its traditional boundaries. The UrbanRebel is driven by emotion, designed, and developed for a more rebellious electric world. The front-wheel drive urban electric car uses the Volkswagen Group's MEB small platform to deliver an emotional, high-performance urban vehicle. Mixing 3D printed and 3D knitted manufacturing approaches with parametric design to improve performance and value perception. Lightweight design both in the exterior and interior help the vehicle's 226 PS electric motor and battery pack push the urban electric car to 100 km/h in just 6.9 seconds and give it a range of up to 440 km. Designed and developed in Barcelona, the CUPRA UrbanRebel will be launched in 2025. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching.